vlog. And there's Aaron. He's back and covering my camera. Whoa, now the lighting's all weird. Aaron, 8-year-old retard. And
oh, you're videotaping?
yeah, I'm vlogging. And then there's Alex.
My scooter's messed up.
Yeah, he tore off the handle thingy.
It tore off, but I was riding it and it fell off.
Yeah, well, yeah. Kyle, come out. Wow. Kyle's up there. Kyle's up there.
This is my house.
This is Alex's house. Yeah. And Kyle.
My dad's at the pool and my mom's at work, so yeah.
Yeah. Alex, go play some piano for us.
Go!
No, don't play piano. I'm showing you.
Hold on, I just wanted him to play quick.
Why, so you can get you retarded flop?
Yeah. Yeah, if anyone knows who that was or what that song was, tell me. Don't say anything.
Why?
Leave it in the comments because I want to see if anyone will figure it out.
Wait, you already said my name.
Yeah.
People should know. It's Alex. And my phone is posted in the comments.
Yeah, post it in the comments.
Shut up! Madison doesn't even know what the song is.
Do you?
Nope.
I'll tell you after the vlog.
Yay.
Do
you guys like my longer vlogs or my shorter ones? I don't know.
Shorter!
My longer ones or my shorter ones? What do you guys think?
Shorter.
Well, I mean,
your 11-minute one that you accidentally posted was boring.
it was an accident.
What was it about?
I said it was an
It was a makeup tutorial.
We're going to watch part of our episode 7 and see where we are. So bye.
Everyone say bye.
And there's Aaron's spot.
Did you just see that?
No.
Yeah, buddy.
Hey.
Kyle.
Here it goes.
Here it goes. Shush.